YouTube, what's going on? It's Soul Review Kicks here. How you guys doing? Hope everybody's great. As you see, I have some items on the table. We're going to do a little review, probably do a two-part, just because I got some shoes and some clothes, so I just want to separate them. If you like the video, comment, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy. All right. Yes, here we are. Surprise. And yes, you see it right. You do see a SpongeBob logo on there. Supreme, SpongeBob, and Jeff Hamilton and Castelli, to be exact. Castelli, I believe Castelli is a bike brand. And when I say bike brand, I mean like mountain biking or racing bike, like, you know, Tour de France, those type of bikes, that type of racing, that type of atmosphere. And Jeff Hamilton and Nascar is a NASCAR stock car race. You know, they race. Yeah, so they decided to do a collabo, and we all know what SpongeBob is, right? So just wanted to show you guys a little bit. I'm really loving this collab. It was stowed away. I mean, nobody knew when it was going to come out. Everybody was trying to guess. Everybody waited for it. And last week, Thursday, it did decide to release. And here we are. I do have long sleeve. I will be opening them. But black long sleeve, SpongeBob, Castelli collab. And I did get the white one. For some reason, I tried to get the green one. I thought I paid for the green one, but as you see, it did not arrive. So I did check back, and it looks like my order was canceled. Probably didn't have any in stock. But, yep, here we go. And then the jacket is amazing. This jacket is crazy. And it's got some weight to it. Yes, it is heavy. It is a size small. You see the graphic here. And this is all stitched. We're going to open it up, get into a little deeper review on that. All right, let's get into it. And here we have it set up. SpongeBob Hits, Supreme Hits is hitting hard. And it's all stitched. It's a beautiful jacket. Oh my God, the varsity jackets. I mean, I love them. I got a couple of them. Beautiful jackets. Let's get into a little more detail of it. As you see, the main hit is, of course, the Supreme logo, SpongeBob running through it. You can't. This is beautiful. You can't make this stuff up. I mean, you know, Jeff Hamilton hit. The buttons are also Jeff Hamilton hit. Okay. 95, world famous, Supreme Enterprise, SpongeBob, SquarePants, Supremax, unmatched performance. We got a couple logos here. Let's take a look at Squidward on the side. Nice little Squidward hit with the subtail. All right, pretty nice. Let's take a look at the other side. Sandy on the hit. With the 25 team. I'll just turn this bad boy around real quick for you. And this is where it gets good. You got Patrick on the back. Okay. Supreme hit in white. Supreme's on the side. Also on this side. Nice little jacket. It's heavy. I'm not gonna lie, it's heavy. I didn't think it was gonna be that heavy, because it's not leather or anything like that, but yeah, she's heavy. All right, we're going to open up just a tad bit real quick just to show you the inside. Little Jeff Hamilton patch. Supreme logo. Size patch, of course. Little silky silky feel to it on the inside. Okay. And on the inside we do have a Jeff Hamilton patch as well, as you see. I'm not quite sure if they're faking these or anything, but just in case. Zoom in if you had to zoom in on the stitching and stuff and placement, just in case. And that's going to be it for that. Nice jacket. It's got a great resale value, I tell you that. There was also a black one that released. You know, to each his own. To each their own. I like the white look. I don't know. It's just something about white that I love. And the yellow is just popping right now with the white and the navy blue. It's a beautiful jacket. Give you one last look of it. And then we can get into the long sleeves. All right, here we have the long sleeve. I have the two colors. I thought I had the third one, the green one, but apparently they canceled on me, and also canceled the 6-panel mesh hat in navy that I was going to match with the jacket, but not too sure what happened. But yeah, let's take a look at these. As you see, black and white. Separate them real quick. Black, beautiful. Castelli hit. All right. The size is crazy. The size of sleeves is everything. Oh, those hits are incredible. Let's see if I can. Side hits. I forgot his name. Somebody comment his name for me. Castelli. Let's go back. SpongeBob hit again. Supreme hit in green. Castelli. And the same thing's on the other side. I won't bore you with that. All right, let's take a look at the white one. As you see, white, I just love it. It just shows everything a little bit more better, more brighter. I don't know. It's just something that I've always loved. White. All right. Same thing with the white one. SpongeBob hit. Castelli Supreme hit. Scorpion logo. Of course, the side hits again. Let's see if I can straighten this one out. All right, here we go. Side hit. Let's see who was paying attention. I actually figured out his name. That's Gary. Good old Gary. All right. Same thing in the back. I just think that yellow pops a little bit better. Blends in with the logos. Same thing on the side. All right. And that's going to do it for the Supreme haul that I received today. Like I said, if you guys love the video, comment, like, subscribe.